So this is my crash course on the parts of the brain. First, we have the neuron, is the basic unit of the nervous system. And here's a little anatomy chart of the neuron. So you have the dendrites, then the cell body, then the axon, and at the very end, it's the nerve ending. So the dendrite is the part of the neuron that receives incoming signals. It's like roots. Then we have the myelin sheath, is the fatty substance that insulates in the axon. So it's that long little stem that connects the cell body to the nerve ending. And we have the autonomic nervous system, is the division of the nervous system that controls involuntary processes. So here's a little chart of the nervous system. So for internal environment, which is the involuntary actions, that's the autonomic nervous system. However, for reacting to the external environment, we have the somatic nervous system, and both uses motor neurons and sensory neurons. Next is the anatomy of the brain. We will go into depth of some parts of it, but here we see the frontal lobe, the parietal lobe, the occipital lobe, the temporal lobe, the brainstem, and the cerebellum. The cerebellum is responsible for coordination and balance. And the brainstem is responsible for regulating basic life functions such as heartbeat and breathing. Here we have some chemicals, such as serotonin, is a neurotransmitter that is associated with mood regulation. So that's just a chemical compound, but to the right is an album cover of Serotonin, the song from Girl in Red. Then we have dopamine, is the neurotransmitter responsible with pleasure and reward. Again, that is the chemical compound for dopamine. You can see how it compares to serotonin, even though it uses similar molecules as well. So that concludes my small crash course on the parts of the brain that relate to psychology. Thank you for watching.